All right, it's happening. Oh, but you were late. The timer ended and you took 2 seconds. Blah, 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 blah. Shut up. It doesn't matter. Welcome to This Week in Web Dev episode 19. That's crazy, and I'm gonna say it every freaking time that it's crazy that I made it. And something that I'm doing is consistent, not like the vlog. I took a break from the vlog for 3 months. Welcome to episode 19. Hopefully we're gonna get to episode 100, maybe 200, maybe 300. Or maybe not. Maybe GPT-3 will do everything and we don't have to do the show anymore. For now, we have to do it. So welcome. Thank you for tuning in wherever you're watching. Welcome people from YouTube. Welcome people from Twitch. Welcome people from Periscope. But please, for the love of everything, I'm begging you, if you want to continue hanging out with me and watching me stream, whatever it is, please move to Twitch. Please move to Twitch. Please move to Twitch. And I'm going to tell you why. First of all, I'm going to post the Twitch link because I know you're lazy. And not only that you're lazy, if you search, welcome Joss, welcome Geeky SRM, welcome whoever posted, yeah, Somya, welcome everyone. I posted a Twitch link because you cannot actually find me on Twitch. If you go to Twitch and if you search for Dikitse, I don't show up. Thank you, Twitch. You're fucking amazing. I already contacted Twitch about this and they're like, oh, well, it's happening. It's a technical blah, blah, blah. Solve it. Call a developer, be like, hey, excuse me, just a second. Can you stop moving that fucking rectangle with CSS for like a few hours and fix people's accounts? Because that matters. And probably the Twitch developer was like, well, actually I was seeing this new way of flipping a boolean and I'm going to learn this new library. And that's why my account doesn't exist on Twitch. So if you, I don't know if it's fixed. I don't think so because I just searched for myself on Twitch. Twitch.tv/ oh, fuck. Cannot even type today. It's all good. Twitch.tv, Dikitse. There's always someone, the kin that pops up, the kine. Hey, or thy kittens. That's my new name maybe. Or the Kate baby, the kid Benny. Everything but the Kitse. I'm invisible on Twitch. That's why I posted the link. So if you can please follow me on Twitch. Geeky SRM, you can see here as he posted that he actually moved to Twitch. So follow his example and please move to Twitch and I'm gonna tell you why. Couple of days ago, meanwhile, no, first of all, let me send you this form just so we can have meaningful things to talk about instead of just me babbling about bullshit. Somebody asked, does it only happen to you, the Twitch thing? No, apparently it happened to other people too, and that was, I contacted Twitch support and they're like, hey, it happened to other people too. Just imagine like calling an ambulance and be like, hey, somebody stabbed me, I'm fucking dying. And the ambulance goes like, well, it happened to other people too were stabbed. And then they hang up and you're like, well, I'm still stabbed. What the fuck do I do with this knife in my chest? That was Twitch's response. It happens. Literally their response. So you cannot find me. Anyway, I'm going to post you this. Wow, for the first time ever, it's cold in this room. For the first time ever, winter is coming. Hi, Kun. Welcome to the stream. Here's the form. Here's the Google form. This is where you post your links. I posted, I'm pointing to the form. You can also find it in the chat wherever you're watching. Go and post your links of whatever you found interesting during this week. A tweet, article, library, something that you made, your project, your portfolio, whatever it is. We're going to go through some of the links and you can post them in that form. I'm going to wait for some links to pop up. We already have 12 responses and this is a fucking record. So I'm glad that we'll have something to talk about because I don't have much to talk about today. I mean, from my side. I really hope that you have something for me. Alright, I have some tweets open here, something that you've sent me so far. Yeah, I wanted to mention why the move to Twitch and so on. I made it to Twitch affiliate. I've been grinding. I've been streaming for so long. I made it. I checked all the check marks for being a Twitch affiliate. And I needed one last check mark for being a Twitch partner. And Twitch partner means you're only streaming with Twitch and you cannot stream on any other platforms. And I don't even know if I like that or not. But I was like, yeah, maybe one day when I'll achieve that, I'll think about it. But what happened is this guy called Michael Reeves, which some of you probably know, because most of the world knew about this guy, except me, because I'm a dumbass. This guy, Michael Reeves. I had no idea who this guy is, and I would 100% recommend you to check out this YouTube. I would even tell you to turn off the stream and go watch the videos because they're hilarious. They're fucking hilarious. So this guy was streaming on Twitch. And he decided, some of you probably know him, he decided instead of like dumping his followers after the stream, he decided to transfer them to me while I was streaming. So I was streaming with like 30, 20 people, maybe even less. And suddenly I get 22,000 people on Twitch. And I couldn't believe what the fuck was going on. I was like, what? I think I handled it well. There's a clips on the channel from when I got 22,000 people spamming the chat. And the people were his fans and everyone was going like brr brr. It was freaking crazy what was going on in the chat. I think I handled it well. I made 800 new followers, which is insane because you need like 1 year to get 800 followers, I guess. I don't know. And I got an email for Twitch saying, yeah, congratulations, now you can be a Twitch partner. I was like, great, I don't have to stream to YouTube and Periscope anymore. Anyway, long story short, I don't know when, but soon I'm gonna sign up for Twitch partner. I don't know if they're gonna accept me or not. I don't know if it's automatically accepted or whatever the fuck. There's a chance that I'll stop streaming on YouTube and Periscope. So I'm gonna paste the link again and you can follow me there. It's me. Wait, Karan, did you post 12 links by yourself? Is that what you're trying to say? Kieran is the MVP on sending links, and all of you are slacking. Seriously, all of you. There's like few people who send links, and I'm gonna send the form again if you're just joining. Yeah. When I saw that they are from Twitter, I was like, yeah, probably Kieran has posted all of these links. So Kieran, basically, I'll be your reader of tweets. Great. You just send me tweets, and I'm gonna read them out loud for you. That's what I do. Before we go into the links, I see you're posting more links. There's more and more stuff. We're gonna go through everything. I don't know if I'll be able to show you this actually. Post links. Yeah, I started working on a landing page framework. Not framework, sorry. Slow brain today. Oh, I forgot to start this stream with I have 4 hours of sleep today. We had too much food yesterday. I couldn't sleep. Woke up at 4 a.m. I finished The Last of Us. I played for 4.5 hours. Is Last of Us the best game ever? Yes. But now I'm out of sleep and I'm babbling and I'm struggling to find words and shit. It's gonna suck today. It is what it is. I cannot even pronounce shit. Anyway, I started working on a landing page component library for React and Chakra UI, but I think I'll be able to show you something when it looks nicer in the next stream. But if you want to watch me build it, and if you have some opinions on building a landing page set of components for landing pages with React and Chakra, you can follow the channel, and I'm going to stream a couple of times building this set of components. And I really need people who understand shit about building component libraries, because I don't, and I'm just winging it and I'm trying some shit. So if you have any ideas regarding that, you can follow and we can discuss while I'm building that shit. I'm probably gonna stream a couple of times this week. What else do I have for you? How many links do we have so far? We have 19 responses. This is either Kieran is posting fucking everything, or I have no idea what is going on. 19 links. We haven't had that many links so far, so thank you very much whoever's sending the links. What else do I have from my side? I was building the landing page component thingy. I wrote 3 new articles. They're short, they're not as big as the previous one. I posted a new vlog is coming tomorrow. One of them is about managing multiple monitors. One of them is about uninstalling apps on macOS. One of it is about removing node modules. Probably some of you know this trick, maybe you don't. Whatever, kitset.io can find the articles. And I don't have literally nothing else for you. That's it. Yeah, we can dive into... Oh, yeah, fuck. I almost forgot about that. Maybe I mentioned it last time. For people who are watching on Twitch for the fucking gaming content, basically, I'm gaming, but we're also hanging out. We're chatting, we're fucking around in the chat. That's what we're doing during the gaming streams. I moved them to twitch.tv/kitsagaming. I created a new channel because I want to keep this one on... Hopefully, I'm not streaming. 72 followers. Fucking amazing. I had 10. Thank you to whoever followed this shit. So if you want to hang out while doing some gaming, whatever, you can follow at Kitsa Gaming. And let's get into the fucking links, because I feel like I've been talking about a lot of shit too much. 20 responses. Perfect. Let's see what happened this week, because honestly, I have nothing. I have absolutely nothing. Let's see. We're going to start from the top. We're not going to go through everything. I'm just only going to talk about things that are actually interesting and worth to talk about. So let's see. What do we have here? I'm just going to jump back to my screen here. In just 13 days, JSK competition. Can you create a game in... What the fuckity? In just 13 days, the 9th annual JS 13K games competition. Why? All I have to ask is why? Why does it have to be like under 13 kilobytes? But why? I don't fucking get it. Seriously. What's the point behind this? If you know me, if you follow the streams, if you follow me anywhere, you know that I hate measuring kilobytes, and you know that this thing drives me crazy. So, this thing, whoever sent me this, Karen, if you send me this, what are you doing? Are you trying to piss me off? What is the fucking point? Are you trying to piss me off? What is going on? Oh, introducing a new course. I don't give a flying shit. Introducing a new course. I don't give a fucking fuck. Absolutely not. Let's move on to the next one. Simplex distortion material coming soon to Dry. Huh? What is Dry? I have a problem. I don't know if you have this problem. I get this for all the tweets. So we're not going to be able to see tweets that have media, because this says the media cannot be played. And why is that? Because we're on the web platform, and the web platform sucks ass. And the web platform sometimes cannot play media. And someone's going to be like, oh, this is just our SSL, DSL, is just our proxying, blah, blah, blah thingy. No, the web platform sucks. Deal with it. The sooner you deal with it, the better. Maybe it's something with my computer. I don't want to admit that. No, the web platform sucks. That's it. All of the gifts are disappearing. So I guess we cannot see this too. By the way, if you want to skip yourself the pain of going through the stream and listening to me ramble for 1 hour, I'm going to post all of the links at the end of the stream to my YouTube on the episode. So youtube.com/kitze. Let me just go to a previous episode, wherever it was, episode 18. In the description, oh fuck me, I haven't put them there, and the stream says Grand Theft Auto. So don't trust me. Thank you for the follow. I put them for episode 17. Yeah, links from this week. They're the links. So you want to save yourself some trouble, or you have to go or whatever, you can find them on my YouTube, because we're not going to go and see all the links, apparently. Let's move on. What else? What is this? Razzle, React application. Oh, we have seen this on a stream. And if you haven't seen it, you haven't watched all the episodes. Is this the thing like React with generators? Is that thing? No, this is not that thing. This is not that fucking thing. This is something else. What is this? Like an unneeded alternative to create React app? Is that it? Please tell me that that's it so I can skip over it. JavaScript applications are tough to set up. That's why they invented Create React app. But, okay, giving you the awesome developer experience of React app, but then leaving the rest of your app architectural decisions about frameworks, routing, and data fetching to you. With this approach, Razzle. Huh? Oh, so this is not... that's why you should read the entire fucking thing, kids. I don't do that. I don't read the entire thing. Razzle not only works with React, but also Reason, Elm, Vue, and Angular. Then why the fuck does it say React applications from 0 to production? I don't get it. Anyway, I'll pay attention to this when it's... Like, I've been watching... It would be so funny if I was like, I was watching RedTube. What? I was watching the releases for Redwood, and I'm watching the releases for oh, cannot even talk today. Told you, 4 hours of sleep. What are you expecting? I was gaming at 4 a.m. So of course I'm gonna talk like this. I've been watching what's going on with Blitz. I wrote an article about this, but here's a short tip. Just click watch on these things, on repos that you care about, and never visit Twitter ever again. You're gonna live the happiest life you've ever fucking lived. Trust me. Almost 3 months. 3 months without reading anyone's shit on Twitter. Feeling fucking amazing. So I was watching Blitz and I was watching Redwood. Basically, I'm watching their releases. I still haven't tried them. You know why? Because it's too fucking early. When I decide, okay, this is stable, enough people use it, blah, 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 I'm gonna give them a chance. Until then, Razzle, Blitz, Redwood, whatever, they're just something that exists somewhere. Doesn't matter that much. We'll see what happens. Also, the framework from Ryan and from Michael. What was it called? God, this should be a lesson to sleep more. Remix. Remix dot whatever it is. Cool, great, but Next.js is also great. If I ever have a problem, I will look into the other thing. I'm trying to think more like this. If I ever have a problem, I'm gonna look into finding solutions. The music is too loud, so it's distracting me because I had 4 hours of sleep and I should sleep more. Launching regex is hard. Oh, we talked about this the last time, I think. Okay, I am a human. Oh, absolutely, let's solve the images for a fucking train. Because we're training self-driving cars to not crash. And then you're gonna read an article, a car crashed into a fucking llama because somebody had 4 hours of sleep and they clicked on a truck when it was actually a train. That's what's gonna happen. This is literally for training self-driving cars and other... come on, man. I am a human. Didn't I? Okay. Good. Okay, you're gonna... this stream is now renamed to Kitze Fails at Being a Human. Alright, let's see. I switched to my mouse because I'm playing a serious game. Containing a truck. This is 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 a wheel. It's not a truck. Next. Containing a truck. I don't know if this is a truck. It kinda is. Yes. This is a truck. This is a truck. This is a truck. For fuck's sake, let me in. Okay. Regex is both terrible to write and hard to understand. Abso-fucking-lutely. We use it because of its ability to describe blah 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 blah. Starting with a check if the string or check if the string contains a will yield optimize. Well, if it's using GPT-3 for fuck's sake, don't tell me what to start the string with. Because I want to say like something like Oh, actually, it's very hard to describe this, for fuck's sake. I was babbling about spending 5 minutes on a capture and therefore getting visited the page in the first place. Absolutely, I didn't know what the page is. No, I'm trying to think of the last regular expression that I wrote, and it's the one for detecting if a link is a Chrome extension URL, and there's no way that I can tell GPT-3 in English. Check if it's Chrome extension store URL, because that's not gonna work. But if I say check if it contains at least 3 numbers and it starts with docs, this is absolutely not going to fucking work, not even remotely close. If this works, I quit the stream, programming everything else. Bitch, are you fucking... There's no fucking way that this worked. Check if it contains at least 3 numbers and it starts with ducks. Okay, let's try this shit. Ducks. 2 numbers. 1, 2. No, it didn't fucking work. Maybe it wants 3 numbers in front and then ducks. I don't know what it fucking wants, but it's not correct. I thought for a second that it solved it. There's something weird here, but it's gonna get there. GPT-3 is gonna get there. Let's not give it a hard time. Anyway, this link is... Thank you to whoever sent the link. GPT-3 is the fucking future, despite someone commenting on my last stream. I tweeted, basically my Restream bot tweeted that I'm working on a landing page framework for, fuck me, a set of components for writing landing pages in React, and somebody first of all used the wink emoji. Don't ever use the wink emoji unless you're 13 or you want to get on someone's nerves. Don't use the wink emoji, and even worse, don't use this emoji. If you use this emoji, it's like when someone writes this. When someone writes this emoji, you instantly want teleportation to be a real thing and to stab them right away, right? When you're like, hey, can you help me moving? And you're like, no, I'm busy. And they're like, well, okay then. And then they give you this emoji. And this emoji means, fuck you for not helping me move. It doesn't mean like I'm fine with that, right? I hate how there's hidden meaning behind this. But when someone writes this and they're an adult, it should be legal to find them, punch them, maybe even stab them without any consequence. And somebody wrote on my stream, why doesn't AI write it for you? Winky. Whatever this Winky is. Some Winky that's... This is a minion Winky or whatever the fuck. Because AI still cannot write shit, which doesn't mean it's not the future, and it's gonna write the shit in the future. So why? Anyway, let's not get into it. You know that's gonna get me pissed. So let's just move on. Oh, fucking Winky face. Model viewer introduces a brand new model editor. It also exposes a new scene graph. Okay. Drag a GLB here. I don't know what's a GLB. Can you give me a sample GLB to try this or not? Release notes. Thanks Shopify for the model. Okay, cool. What is this? A web component? Did somebody seriously send a link of web component? Like someone is gonna use that? Okay. Free render fidelity tool, shared assets. Anyway, thank you for sending the link. Looks fucking amazing. I don't know if we're gonna see it ever in production. What else do we have? FOSS United hackathon. What is this? Tafelito asks, have you tried something like BuilderX? Yes, I've tried BuilderX. Your point being what? India's biggest FOSS hackathon. FOSS Hack 2020 is an online hackathon to promote free and open source software by bringing together students and professionals to build. Cool, great, awesome. You should participate in this. If you're, I don't know, if you're just from India or from anywhere else, if you can participate, go and participate. Thank you for sending the link. Motherfuckers. Did you think that I'm going to fall for that? Did you think that I was going to... Well, I actually fell for it because it was a rickroll. Fuck. I was like LA Times, and then I saw LATLAMS. So you almost got me. You almost got me. You almost got me with that. Tafelito asks, just wanted to know how that's different on what you're trying to build. Okay, so I'm trying to build a set of React components that if you're a React developer, you can just write code and use the component, but then maybe on top of them expose an API. So some sort of like a drag and drop builder can use that API to give you at least a starting version of your code. So you drag and drop a bunch of sections for your landing page, blah, 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 fill the props, whatever, you click extract, and then it gives you a project to continue working on. It's not going to be production ready as it is, but it's going to give you the layout, the scaffold, the whatever you want, and then you can customize it. And then because it's gonna be open source, React developers can contribute with their ideas for components. Basically, you're gonna go to whatever. This is what I was doing on the stream. I went to some websites like Stripe, and I was like, okay, let me try to see what is a landing page. Why do I have fucking dog here on my microphone? Because I have a dog at home, but how did it get here? Only God knows. Goddamn dog. Anyway, so I was trying to see the blocks, like what is this block? How can I express it as a component? What is this block? How can I express it as a component? Oh, that's similar to the other block. What if we put them in a grid layout? What if we have the same block here and here? So basically I wrote most of these components. I'm still working on the API, but the idea is you would be able to have a section like this just by using a React component and passing like 5 props. That's the idea. And then other people who want to contribute to the library, they can go to Stripe and they'll be like, okay, I want to make this section for the framework, for the component library. And then using the primitives, the more primitive components that I've built, you can just combine these sections into a grid, blah, blah, blah. And then you give other users the ability to use a section like this and just customize it with passing 1 prop, 2 prop. And is this globe turning? Come on, Stripe. Come on, Stripe. Are you fucking kidding me? They're going over the top with these landing pages. Am I gonna play with it? Yes, but is it gonna affect my decision? Yes, it's gonna. Anytime I think of something quality, I think of Stripe. So yeah, put a fucking spinning landing page. Put a fucking spinning globe on your landing page. I should sleep more. It's all good. Anyway, you're gonna find that soon on my GitHub, github.com/kitsa. Let's move on. Let's see what else have you sent me. I'm more excited for your links than I'm excited for the shit that I'm doing. All Zero hackathon. There's so many hackathons happening. Jesus Christ. There's a funny tweet. I think it's an old tweet from Mark Dalgleish, when it's like developers had a hackathon. Oh, we had 2 days, we didn't sleep, we deployed this, we did so many things, and then developers doing a sprint. How long will it take you to add an on-click handler on this button? Probably few weeks. I don't know, we have to discuss it with the team. Cause you're overpaid, we are overpaid as developers, you fuck around during your day job, you're not actually working as you're supposed to be working, and enjoy being unemployed in 10 years. What else can I tell you? That's why people are saying, well, we would need, authentication? Oh, whoa. Username and password? That would take us at least 4 to 5 weeks. If you have confirmed password field, we would have to use Redux Saga. Sorry, month and a half, at least. We're so overpaid. Anyway, there's an Auth0 hackathon. Let's move on. You sent me so many links today. I love you. Thank you very much. 24 responses so far, and I'm not sure if I should even send the form again. I'm gonna. Because somebody might have missed the form. If you want to send a link, put it in the form. Maybe we'll read it, maybe we won't. We'll see. Another clickbait. Don't do that. Come on, man. How I made my CV based on an Age of Empires game. That sounds fucking interesting. Let's see that one. That's fucking epic. I think I'm not the best programmer to give some advice. I love how web developers and programmers have low self-esteem and don't believe in themselves. And they think that other people, especially people who have more followers, are the best. My code is not clean at all. Come on, man. Like, look, if you're a developer, if you have low self-esteem, if you think shit about you, well, my code this, my code that, trust me that people can learn from you and your experience. Even if you're a junior and you've been in a company for like 2-3, you've been in the Webdev game, not in a company for 2-3 weeks, you can still teach people something. Before I started my workshops, I always thought like, oh, but I don't know everything. And then I was like, wait, but nobody knows everything. And during my workshop, when somebody asked, if some smart ass asked me something that shouldn't be in the workshop, they're like, but what if, blah, 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 blah. And I'm just like, I don't know. And then I just stare at them. And they're gonna look away and be like, okay, and we move on. And that's it. Because nobody knows everything. I feel sorry for the person, for Michael Camps who wrote this. Go comment to Michael Camps, tell him you're fucking awesome. Or something. He made this and he says that I'm not a good developer. Are you fucking kidding me? That's amazing. Is it a good way to promote a portfolio? Absolutely fucking not. But is it amazing? Yeah, it is. Let's see. How? Okay, this crashed. Okay, maybe I spoke too early. Michael, what are you doing? Oh, I know what I should show you. I showed it on stream. I showed it to 22,000, not to 22, but I think I showed it to around 9 to 10,000 people on the previous stream. I should show it to you. The code, the PHP code of my first app. Are you interested in that? Like, send a random emoji in the chat if you really want to roll your ass off and see my first, it's from like 9-10 years ago. and it's a code for a WordPress PHP landing. For basically, I had a page for making memes. I was in the memes game way longer than you, by the way. If you're like, oh, for the past 3 years I'll be fun. No, I invented memes. Okay, I had a meme website 10 fucking years ago, and I'm going to show you. Joss didn't send a fucking what did you didn't send? You didn't send a emoji, but you, oh god, I'm so sorry that I'm slow today, but you said please do, and because Joss Doe said please do and nobody else didn't, I'm not gonna show you the code, but I'm gonna show you maybe next time or some other time. Let's see, what is the point of this? Oh, so the thingy goes there. Oh, Visual Studio Code, Firefox, WinSCP. Where's Sizzy? Where's Sizzy? I should message this person, be like, hey, where is Sizzy? Why is Sizzy not here? What are you doing? What the browser for developers? Why are you using Firefox? What is going on? Developer skills, web development, PHP-in-js, WordPress plugins. Oh, we have we have 2 people sending anymore. Multilingual PHP. Cool. Yeah, it was multilingual PHP. Okay, this human takes way too much. Oh, you can use the mouse or keyboard to move around the map. This is the worst way. Okay. This is the worst way to promote a portfolio, by the way, the worst. And also, if you press the right and left arrow, the up arrow stops working. And it's annoying. Sorry, this is the worst way to promote a portfolio. If the person who posted this is watching this is fucking cool as a side project, but sit down and make a real portfolio, seriously. And I've talked about people's interactive portfolios before, and it's cool up to a certain point, but it's not a CV or a portfolio, because people won't actually see your skills, and you won't give people the information that they want. Basically, that's it. You made a cool thing, awesome, but it's not a CV. What is this? Okay, somebody else also sent. I'm gonna show you the code at the end if we have time. I always want to respect you and the links that you have sent me, so I'm gonna leave my shit for last. So if we have time at the end, we're gonna laugh at my code. How much time? Oh, we're 30 minutes in. So if we're 30 minutes in, I'm gonna mention this. That's gonna be the thing. Previously, I was giving the free licenses. We are not giving the free licenses anymore because I ran out of free licenses. That's it. If you haven't checked it out, I'm not gonna bother you with the details. Go and check it out. There's a free trial. We also added a lifetime plan. You can pay once and never get subscription fee ever again. That's it. I'm tired of talking about it. I still want to mention it. So you can check it out at cz.co. Cool. 30 minutes in. We're doing this for 1 hour. I'm really gonna force myself to do 1 hour and not more. And at the end of that hour, I'm gonna show you my first multilingual PHP jQuery, not formatted spaghetti. Basically, if you want to stay until the end of the stream, you're going to see the worst code you've ever seen, and I promise you that. Somebody sent this. Your personal front page of the internet. Create your personal new tab page. Create your front... let's fucking do it. Let's create my front page, kids. Cool. Make it public. Premium. Are you shitting me? You just said no sign up required. So it is required, basically, to make it... I just like being straightforward with things, and I hate fucking... okay, actually, oh my god, now I'm gonna be the biggest fucking... back to the page, back to CZ. What does it say here? What does it fucking say here? Here, kids, you fucking hypocrite. What does it say here? Try for free, right? Where does it take you? To the pricing section. Scam number 1. You already feel like, fuck that. And then you're like, okay, but at least there's a try for free button, right? That's not gonna pop up a credit card form. Guess what it does? It pops up a credit card form. So I'm giving that page a chance. My front page. Let's see. This is cool. Just signed up. Been testing my front page, and did somebody make a my front page to see how it looks like, or what? Our demos. Perfect. Examples. Stars. Andrew. Okay, let's see how they look like. Are you shitting me? That it looks like this. What? What is this? I swear to God I can find a better page than this in a second. It still exists because it was written with HTML1 back in the day when the only element was div, and if you wanted to paste an image you use the div, and it doesn't even open. Spacejam.com doesn't open. Spacejam forever untouched. Why don't you open for me? Anyway, probably they're not using Netlify or Vercel or all of these cool tools or whatever. Okay, this is fucking pointless. I don't see a point in this. I don't know. It seems super simplistic. Thank you for sending it, but no. Let's move on. Jesus, you sent so many links today. Let's see what else do we have on the menu. Some hacking with... Oh, fuck me, this guy. When I see this guy, I always get sad because this is gonna be fucking mind-blowing and I'm gonna feel sad. Because we're never gonna see real-life examples like this except by him and that other dude that works with 3JS, whatever he was called. This guy with the zeros and X and so on, yeah. These are the two, Matt Perry and this guy, Paul Henschnell, are the only two people who are gonna deploy a landing page that look like this. No one else. Basically, we cannot see it because the fucking media cannot be played. We cannot even play videos on the web. And they're trying to do like a 3D... Fuck me, why cannot this open? Is this a case only for me? Does Twitter work for you? Like, I wanna play this media. Anyway, it's gonna be in the link. Sorry, media not playing today. What can I do? Is this on YouTube as well? What is on YouTube as well? You mean the This Week in Webdev or what? I'm gonna mention it again because I mentioned it in the beginning of the stream. If you want to continue watching my streams, my programming streams and this show, please move to Twitch and don't go to YouTube because I'm gonna stop streaming on YouTube soon. I'm gonna stream exclusively on Twitch. Twitch.tv/thekidsa. What else do you have? Somebody send Pornhub.com. Thank you very much. Congratulations, you're 12. Let's sing them happy birthday for their 12th birthday. What did you get for your 12th birthday? What do people get for their 12th birthday? I don't know, but let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy 12th birthday to you. Happy 12th birthday to the person who sent Pornhub.com and thought it was funny, but it's 2020. It is not exactly funny. You're just a fucking moron. Happy 12th birthday to you. Thank you. Let's move on. What is this? There's some tweet. Steve Jobs 2011. Why didn't this one come put before? Oh, what is this? What is this? Some Steve Jobs shit. Let's see. The guy is zillion feet under the ground and we're like still digging up shit about Steve Jobs. Just leave the guy alone. Okay, I think this is pretty simple. iBooks is going to be the only bookstore on iOS devices. We need to hold our heads high. One can read books bought elsewhere, just not buy or subscribe from iOS without paying us, which we acknowledge is prohibitive for many things. Sent from my iPad. Steve Jobs is fucking amazing. Okay, what is the point of the tweet and why are you sending it in This Week in Webdev? I'm looking forward to discussing whether we require in-app for books. What about Netflix, blah blah blah, Pandora? They will all do this. Where do you draw the line? And many other would want it. Magazines, games. The problem is many can afford 30%, but others say they can't. This is going to be a huge decision for us. We don't want to lose the apps from iOS. At the same time, we don't want to compromise the app experience. Blah 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 blah. Fuck Apple. Biggest fan of Apple. Also fuck Apple at the same time. One interesting point: magazines and newspapers argue that they don't like our offering because they want to get like our customers' data. Blah blah blah. What teams, what games they play, what ads they click on. It's very impressive all they can learn about customers without forcing the customer to provide anything they do not want to share. I thought we should meet to go over the rules. Just imagine having a meeting with fucking Steve Jobs. You would shit your pants. You would literally shit your pants. He would be like, okay, this is a morning stand-up, and as he opens them out, he will go like, and you'll look down, you'll be like, oh crap, Steve Jobs spoke. And yet people are like, oh, do you know that Steve Jobs didn't invent any, it was all was, bro. There was Steve Jobs, but without Steve Jobs, nothing would exist. Now, right now, I would talk on this fucking bottle cap instead of a fucking smartphone. We would still be like, well, buttons are not bad. So when people dismiss everything that he did just because he didn't put the chip to the fucking other chip and he didn't sit with a mask and actually assemble the iPhone, fuck off. Leave the guy alone. I don't know why this was sent, but thank you to whoever sent it. Speculation in JavaScript core. Huh? The only speculation that we have in the JavaScript world is whenever Suspense is gonna come out, and that's never. Suspense is never gonna be out. Let's read this a little bit, huh? Oh, I'm sorry, I dozed off because this is so not important. Impact of type speculation. Whatever you're doing, Apple. Hey, here's an idea. Instead of speculation, go fix Safari. Because Safari is the worst browser in the world. The worst browser in the world. Nothing comes even close to how bad Safari is. Instead of writing articles, instead of whoever sat down to write this 30,000 page article, go and fix Safari. How? Make it more like Chrome. That's it. Go look at Chrome and be like, oh, okay, it works like, okay, we're gonna do that. And fucking do that. I just cannot stand this. Like, let me try to open a web page on my phone. Let me just try to tell you what is driving me nuts on the fucking, wait, yeah, this. I don't know if you can see here. We're on a website. Of course, we're on my website. What else did you expect? And when I scroll up, this thing disappears, and it's so unpredictable. And then if you scroll up, this thing collapses. Then you scroll up, this gonna come back. This comes back. Hey, how about fuck off and don't do that? Because we cannot actually make fixed apps, because usually you will see a jumping header, jumping footer, some jiggly wiggly white thing at the end dangling because you decide to remove that thing. Either put them there or don't put them there, or let the user choose whether they want to see them or not. Cannot even pronounce the word. God, I hate Safari from the bottom of my ass. I hate Safari. So annoying. What else do we have? I lost the scroll. Oh, we're here. Okay, cool. We have 25 responses. This is the first time you actually filled an episode with links. So I wanna thank you so much. Or thank Karen, because he probably sent 20 of the 25 links. Because this is how the show should look like. We should discuss your links, not my bullshit. There was something extraordinary about all my tweets this week. All of them were generated by computer. It started with tweeted with a series of tweets. I pinged him and asked him if he was keen to work on a week full of tweets, 5 a day for 4 days. He gladly agreed. Dude, I have to get a bot to tweet for me. I have to make GPT-3 tweet for me and to never see this social network ever again. Let's see the tweets. Some of the well-received tweets are linked below. Yo, these tweets have likes? Fuck me, this is free clout. And it comes, like, you don't even have to think. That's fucking amazing. People don't change, they just reveal themselves. It's your responsibility to be with people who are worth your time. Chill, Paulo Coelho. Chill for a second, okay? The purpose of a relationship is not to make you happy. It's to teach you how to be happy alone. Aren't these quotes from, like, the internet? I swear to God, this is a quote from the internet. Swear to God. How to be happy even if you... How to be happy... Oh, okay. 20 ways to be your own best friend. Cool. Not anyway. I'm super bored with Webdev. Any suggestions on what to do next? Game dev. There's a suggestion. I'm also bored with Webdev. I'm fucking anytime I do something with Webdev, I fall asleep first. Do you know why my Twitch streams start at 10 a.m. and not at 9 a.m.? I start them at 9 a.m. and then I write the first line of CSS, and then I go into the deepest sleep of my life. I go like, oh, this is so boring. So, and then I wake up and I'm like, oh yeah, but it makes money, so fuck it. Let's write some code, and that's it. It's still fun. Some aspects are fun. I was programming something else. It was not Webdev, but it was still using JavaScript. Something on iOS using. You haven't heard of this app probably, because you think that automation on iOS is not possible. But guess what, motherfuckers, it is. There's an app called Scriptable, and you can automate iOS using JavaScript, and you can write scripts for like. Find my first 10 contacts and upload a whatever. And this is fucking awesome, by the way. You can combine it with Siri shortcuts, and you can basically program your iOS, and it's fucking amazing. And it's nothing even remotely similarly polished exists on Android. Nothing. Android has Tasker. If you haven't tried Tasker on Android, don't tell me that you're a fan of Android, because this is the best Android app ever. But look how it looks like. You know how it looks like? It looks like ice cream sandwich Android back in the day. You know why? Because I've been following this developer from the ice cream sandwich days. And you know why? Because no Android developer gives a shit about Android. They're like, oh, I made it look decent once. Why would I read the new guidelines for Material UI when Google doesn't give a flying fuck? Look at the icon. Look at everything. It's so we can click at least 5 different apps. They're gonna look the same. Let's do it. Automate it. Ice cream sandwich. Fucking ice cream sandwich. No guidelines, nothing. Because Google is like, oh, you want to hear our opinion about your app? That's what Google does. Oh, we're going to evaluate where we're going to put your app on our market. And somebody goes like, apply. Accept. And they accept fucking everything. There are no guidelines. Kids, is that why you transferred to iOS? One of the reasons, because everything looks like fucking ice cream sandwich. Every developer is using these silly pop-up menus and bullshit that doesn't make sense. And it looks like, what was my fucking point? Don't get me started. Don't get me even started on this Android shit. Anyway, I was talking about Scriptable. If you really want to have fun, web development is not that fun. Web development is fucking sad and frustrating. So, move to game dev. Whoever asked me that, God, yeah, go to game dev if you want to have fun. But then game dev is not as paid as web dev, so pick your poison, I guess. What else did this bot write? The purpose of a relationship is not to make you... Okay. Yeah, I'm more interested in who you are rather than who you think you are. This is deep. This is deep as fuck. This is deep than Steve Jobs... No, too far. Oh my god, he's dead. You can't say that about dead people. We stopped laughing at those kind of jokes. They're not funny anymore. Who are you? I'm his niece, and you cannot. Okay, cool. Then I'm not gonna say it. But that was a fucking good tweet. Seriously. What else? Do not confuse calmness with a lack of fire. These are fucking fire. I need to employ this bot. Yo, what the fuck? This bot tweets better than people, and I'm gonna preview that. Let's see, when was the last time I tweeted something? Like a tweet. I think it was May or something. I made it, right? I made it. When was my last tweet? Let's look at what bullshit I wrote compared to what a bot can write. I'm tweeting articles and videos, as I said, but I'm not tweeting tweets anymore. This is my last 2 tweets. I need a dedicated CZ monitor in my life with caps lock. Siri could write a better tweet. No, this is an actual tweet from May 8th. Why do people who take pictures in the gym have to write an entire motivational book in the caption, just fuck off? I'm just salty. I haven't worked out in the longest time. First time I hit the gym, I'll be like, nothing better than crushing some weights in the morning, even before you wake up. Makes me feel alive. Be bold, raw protein, chew an entire onion, eat an entire vegan. Okay, it was kind of... bots are better. That's what I'm saying. Human sucks, bots are better, and I'm willing to die on that fucking hill. Seriously. Go to someone's account. See that. Let's go to Summers. In my college, there was a guy. He never talked much. He came late. Hey, you're talking to a bot, Summer. Let's see what Summer wrote in his tweets, and I'm gonna tell you that bots are better. Okay, he's posting quotes from James Clear because he cannot come up with one. That's why. Let's see what else is he fucking just posting. Is this a James Clear bot or what? As Henry Ford said, okay, this is one of the guys who reads every book but doesn't do shit in life. I'm telling you. Like, if he's like Nike and Henry Ford and James Clear, he's just reading shit ton of books and not doing shit. What is he doing? CEO, task wall. Fuck, he might be doing something. He's not doing shit. I'm telling you. For people who want more clarity and less chaos. Yeah, what is this? Your new productivity manager. Nah, go back to posting quotes. Nah, bots are better. AI is better. Deal with it. Let's read more tweets from this bot. I'm sorry, but the bot's tweets are more interesting than your fucking links. I'm sorry. Don't do anything you wouldn't be proud of in the presence of your child. Come on, bot. No, this one, and which one was it? And this one were fucking awesome. Dude, fighting for likes and retweets is the worst thing that you can do to yourself. Seriously. One of my next articles is gonna be about this. I've been in that position. Don't spend your entire day on Twitter trying to find the perfect tweet just so you get likes and retweets, because they don't mean fucking ass. They don't mean shit. They don't mean anything. If you want to promote your shit, don't go through the fucking route of pleasing everyone, conforming to what everyone says, blah, blah, blah. Just buy ads. Oh, you created a project? Buy ads for the project. Don't fucking sweat it. Just friendly advice, seriously. Twitter is the worst thing ever. I'm going back to your links. I'm gonna be fair, go back to your links. What is going on in the chat? Anyway. Okay, I've seen this one. Sorry, let's move to another one. Announcing TypeScript 4.0? TypeScript 4 is a thing? Are you shitting me? When? Well, we'll see now. What is new in TypeScript 4, for fuck's sake? Cannot keep up with this shit. Today we're excited to release the beta, blah blah blah. Cool. What is new? Like, I understand this shit. Oh, variadic tuple types, however you pronounce tuple, tuple. Cannot even pronounce it, but I'm excited that it's here. Thank you, TypeScript. Nobody knows TypeScript. There's another statement. Nobody knows TypeScript. People just wing it. They do it on the way. That's it. Function, concat, blah, blah, and consider tail takes an array onto and returns element. But first, how would we type either one of... here's an answer. How would we type either of these in TypeScript? Using any. We would just say any. And we'll move on with our day, because it doesn't matter. But okay, I'm glad you added types for that. Only 3 people in the world will know how to write these types. The rest of them will just say any. Because it is what it is. What else did they add? Wait, is this part of the same feature, or just came through something else? Variadic tuple. Oh, that's it. Label to play elements. I don't know how to pronounce this word. It's pissing. Am I gonna fucking pause the thing just to go to Google and pronounce to play? You're goddamn right. Pause the music. Pause the music. Let's get serious. To play. Tuple. Pronounce it, Google. Like Google is able to pronounce something. Pronounce it, dumbass. Tuple? Bullshit. Tuple. No, it's to play. Tuple. Okay, I'm gonna call it tuple from now on. I'm gonna agree with Google. Label tuple elements. Improving the experience around tuple types and perimeter lists is important because it allows us to go blah 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 blah. I shouldn't read TypeScript changelogs. I will read TypeScript changelogs on this show when I understand TypeScript. Until then, I'm just gonna skim over it and pretend that I know shit. Be like, oh, class property inference. Oh, that's fucking great. Thank you. Short circuiting assignment operators. It's fucking dope. Thank you. Oh wait, I might understand this. Yeah. That's why TypeScript supports a proposal to add 3 new assignments. Dude, as soon as I see this in my code. TypeScript, JavaScript, you took it too far. I've been starting to write this thing. I wrote it maybe 3-4 times so far. And it's like, I'm like, okay, fine, we're gonna write that. It makes sense. The first time I write this, I quit web development immediately at that moment. As soon as I do this, like, and then at the end I do equal, my computer explodes, like, and I quit web development. That's it. Just imagine. Fuck me. It's useful, cool. There are even some patterns we haven't seen or written ourselves to later initialize values when they'll be needed. Before values and value specific. Wow, that's fucking awesome actually. Look, we're not proud of all the code we write. On the rare case that you use getters and with side effect, that's fucking. Oh wow, I feel sorry for anyone who's gonna read this code and be like, well, they didn't teach us this in that JavaScript course that I watched. It was just like const and let and all the other basic things that I could have seen from the docs, and yet I paid $69 for that course. Well, what do I do now? Read the docs next time. Don't get a course. What else have you sent me? Jesus Christ, you went overboard with the links. You took it too far with the links today. I'm not gonna be able to finish. 51 minutes. We have to finish soon. God damn it. Fast and good editors for more media types. I'm migrating to the web. Thanks for. Ooh, interesting. Interesting. Fast and good editor for more media types. I'm migrating to the web. Thanks to WebAssembly, WebGL, GPU. Wow. I just have to check who the fuck. Okay, yeah, of course. Oh, you're wondering who's texting me? The only person who knows that I'm actually streaming. The only person who I'm texting, hey, I'm gonna be streaming. It's distracting. Reef seems to be hedging the bet on the web by having the simultaneous Flutter version. Because the web sucks, no longer holds water when others are shipping fast, complex apps at scale. I actually agree with you, Trevor Flowers, that as soon as we don't use the platform as it is, which means we're using HTML, CSS, and so on, then yeah, the web platform is not going to suck. Until then, the web platform sucks so hard, anytime you look at it, you're asking her, or it, or him, whatever the web platform is, you're asking it, hey, are you a straw? Cause you suck so hard. Hey, I'm sorry, web platform, are you my vacuum or something? Cause you suck. Until then, it sucks. Announcing Rive 2. Team collaboration. Available for web and desktop. WebAssembly is gonna transform everything. Until then, we have to write garbage puke of a code to ship things. And it's fine. I'm super extra salty today. The less hours of sleep I have, the more salty I am. And I'm sorry for the people who are watching this for the first time. Trust me, the other times I'm not this salty. And other people who know in the chat, they can confirm that I'm telling the truth. Usually I'm not salty. How to create a GitHub profile readme. You go to GitHub and you create a profile readme. That's how you do it. We don't need to go through this. Let's see this. Okay, I saw this. God, I'm skipping things. You're sending too many things. I have to find a way to manage this shit. Announcing audio. Somebody just literally announced audio. They were like, announcing audio. How does one contact you on behalf of Sizzy? What do you mean? If you want to contact me privately, this is the email. If you want to contact Sizzy, contact@mg.cz.co, and that's how you contact Sizzy. I send you the links in the chat. Announcing audio, play sounds and tones from any language on the web. Or here's a better idea. Never, ever, unless you're YouTube or Spotify, never, ever, even then, don't play sounds on the web, ever. If I click a button and you play a drum, I'm punching the monitor and I'm quitting your page. So don't. In any language, in any situation, never, ever, for fuck's sake, don't play sounds and tones. Unless you're making a music tool, and probably that's what the article is about, and I'm just talking bullshit, because this is probably for making music, right? Hopefully. Otherwise, don't. There's one person who's allowed to do it. That's Josh Komia. I cannot pronounce his surname. He has amazing sounds on his blog, but you're not him, so don't try to do that. Cool, great. We have 2 more links. Wow, who did this? You're a fucking king or queen. Also, I hate people when people say kings and queens. When somebody calls someone king or queen, I literally want to stab myself. It's good that I'm not keeping a knife near this desk, because I have so many chances of being like, oh, you called someone. When someone says this on social media, hey, you dropped this, and then the crown. If I had a knife around me, I would immediately, without even thinking, just end it. Be like, well, this is... Oh, I have to show you this shit. I have to show you this shit. You think this is the worst? You think this is humanity at their worst? Or you think when someone says, slay them... Like someone takes a picture, like just a picture. Someone is a person, being like a person. They're eating something. And a comment is like, slay them, Queen. Or you drop this king. You thought that's the worst. Fucking let me show you this. Give me a fucking second over here. This is the end of everything. This is the end of everything. You're not ready. If you have, like, if you don't want to puke in the next 40 seconds, look away. This is a warning. Puke warning. I swear to God. There is a restaurant that humans is Corona. Let me just call Corona over my headphones. Hey, Corona, attack more. Hey, Corona, you're not doing more. We need like 60, 70% of the population to be fucking gone. Why? Because this is what they're doing. The server, basically the waiter, is bringing the dessert in a fucking toilet bowl, and you can already guess what the dessert looks like. Warning, look away in the next 50 seconds if you don't want to puke. Don't say I didn't warn you, okay? Humans have lost it. Elon, take us to Mars. Take 1% to Mars. Fuck this. And these 2 guys are gonna be like, oh, first, let me just make a story and a TikTok, and then they're gonna dance, because they're eating shit, literally. We lost it. That's it. That's it. What else am I gonna show you in the stream that's better than this? This is... Wow, humans have fucking lost it, man. That's it. They're fucking... Oh, am I gonna show you the entire thing? Fuck yeah, because I warned you. And it's dessert, and it's probably sweet, but... Fuck it, human. And don't tell me about GPT-3 and AI and shit, because GPT-3 is gonna think, and humans are eating shit from a toilet bowl. So don't ever tell me that AI is not gonna take your job and blah blah and blah blah blah. Okay? Because it's gonna. Because humans are eating shit from a toilet. Civilization, what we still haven't created yet. I don't know, a usable web platform. We haven't created that. What are they saying? Eat the poo-poo. How about any YouTube? Let's go to any YouTube video. Let's go to any fucking YouTube video and see the comments. Any fucking video. Passenger captures the moment flight was told to brace for impact. Let's read the comments. And that's it. Humans are done. Imagine being in the toilet hearing that. Those flight attendants, a stewardess, grab your ankle, sort your head down. Not sure. Humans have fucking lost it. What the fuck did I want? Yeah, exactly. Steffi, it is the case of we want plates. If you don't know this subreddit, reddit.com/r we need plates. It's about restaurants serving. Let's just see the top post for fuck's sake. It's the end of the stream anyway, so wait, we need plates. I fucked it up. We want plates. It's called We Want Plates, and I'm a moron. So restaurants trying too hard to serve things on something that's not a fucking plate. Today's special, food on plates. That's hilarious. It looked so good until the end. Oh, for fuck's sake, don't. Hot dog and beer. Plateless food painting by me. What are you doing? Does this count? Oh my god. No! Excellent fried bitterballen. No! You're joking. Dude, what is this? What is this in? Humans are... That's a flower pot! And people are taking Instagram pictures of this shit. Do you know why restaurants started doing that? Because we started taking pictures of everything. Of fucking everything. You're gonna drink water. And first, before taking... You will be... No. And your girlfriend's gonna take... And she's gonna... Wait, first. I gotta take the... Yeah. The story. And then the TikTok. Cannot drink that water without a TikTok. And restaurant was like, oh, let's serve in toilet bowls. Let's serve in a fucking... I'm sorry, this is not web dev related, but usually we're having fun at the end of the stream. Last 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes? Yeah. And this is fucking kill. How lazy is the waiter? This is like, oh, fuck it. Fuck it. I've been working this shift for 15 hours. Fuck the plates. Sir, we cannot... Fuck the plates, I said. Give them in the fucking pot. This is a tiny bike. There's a tiny bike. What is this? That's wood, literally. Oh my fucking god, man. Humans have lost it. Let's see this. Jesus fuck. What is this? There's a burger. There's a burger hanging in there. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Humans have lost it. Nothing beats the toilet one. Let's see the top of the year. Let's see the top 3. No, let's see the top 3 of all time. Okay? And I'm gonna show you the worst code in the universe. My PHP code. We're gonna finish this stream. Most expensive restaurant I've ever been. Shit. No. This takes the cake. Get it? Do you fucking get my pun? That it takes... Fuck, I nailed it. My joke was better than a fucking image. Dude, if I... If a waiter says, or the chef... Just imagine your chef is like, I'm your waiter for tonight, and just open your hand. And I'll be like, what? Open your hand. And you open your hand, and he puts dessert. If you don't slap that person, what are you? Are you even human? Post number 2. Slop table for 20, please. What is this? Dude, they're putting everything on the table. Hey, what about corona? Hey, what about deadly disease? Dude, you're fucking shitting me. Would I go like that meme of the guy sliding and eat all of this? I would eat this like this. Meme, guy, no, GIF, guy sliding. I would go on that table and eat it like literally like this. But this would be my mouth. I would be this on that table. I'm not saying no. It looks fucking awesome. And I would scoop it like that. But humans have lost their goddamn minds. And this is this is number 3. This is number 3. My bread served inside a That's it. We're not... what could be number 4? Due to manufacturing issues, we're returning very low on wooden skillets. Therefore, most wheels will serve on plates. I put fries in an enclosed bowl so they steam and get soggy. Some prick cook. Hey, how do I get my fries, dumbass? The syrup is already going down his arm. Oh, this is painful. This is painful. Fuck it. We went into the culinary category. Humans are out of their minds. That was my point. If you ever doubt that GPT-3 will be better than us, hopefully I convince you otherwise, because humans are fucking dumb. That's it. Said from a human. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. I just can't. What about my MySpace profile? Wait, I'm sorry. We couldn't go through all the links. I went through most links, actually. I went through most links. There's only... Yeah, I wanted to click this. Should I learn Redux.netlify that app? Which goes to Rickroll. Is Rickroll even funny anymore? I don't know, but... Yeah. When someone asks you, should they learn Redux, just go to this. Now, I'm going to show you the worst code ever. Whoever is left on the stream, you're gonna see my first PHP jQuery code. And you're so fucking not ready for it. And I don't give a fucking shit what you think about it, okay? Let me see how many people are watching. There are 14 people on Twitch, and there are 8 people on YouTube, and I showed it to 9,000 people probably, so I don't give a shit if you see it, okay? Okay. Let me find it first. Where are you? In which directory would it be? Probably in the one that says shittiest code ever. Warning, this code is from 10 years ago, and it's one of the first tabs that I wrote, and it's PHP. Not gonna make excuses. Fuck it. It's bad. It is what it is. It is what it fucking is. I have a rainbow spinner, whatever the thing is called on macOS when you get the rainbow. Okay, it's here. Fuck. You're not ready for this shit. Did I back up my database on disk, on my disk? Absolutely yes. Did I do the backups manually? Absolutely fucking yes. So this was a meme website. I'm just gonna give you a bit of like intro to it. Back when I started college, when I learned programming, literally when I just finished my first programming course, everyone else was sweating it with learning more programming. I went straight into making. I was like, I have to make something. So I made a website for posting memes, and they were my memes. Basically, I was making, drawing back in the day memes, whatever. And I made it to the third or fourth website in my country without any ads, without anything. Basically the top 3 sites were Yahoo, Google, YouTube, whatever was popular back in the day, and then the next site was me, just an 18-year-old or 19-year-old, I don't know how old I was, with this fucking site for memes, and I got 70,000 fans on Facebook watching. Anyway, it was called Face because it was like a clone of Facebook. Whatever I say is not gonna justify the shitty code, but give me some slack for fuck's sake. Let me find this shit. And I even have the memes, and they're so cringy. I'm not showing you the memes. They were funny back in the day. I'm trying to find some code, so just be patient. Or leave the stream. If you don't want to see my code, that's the end of the fucking stream. God, where's the code? It's a PHP project, so it's not easy to find where things are. FTP. I was using FTP, of course. Backups. htdocs. That's the directory. htdocs, I guess. Apache start. Mercury. Fuck, I should have prepared this. I'm sorry. htdocs. No, it's not. Is it this? Imgur PHP. Fuck me, I don't know if this is it. It's not worth it to take your time for this fucking shit. I have an index HTML file with this, and it's the same. 2020, nothing has changed. You probably have a React tab that says it works because you're happy that you made it work. But this is not the file that I want to show you. Let me see. htdocs. Where the fuck are you, code? Marketing memes, htdocs backup, emergency case. Yeah, people are gonna be like, emergency! This person is dying. We need to see some bad PHP code. Who can save this? And I'll be like, dun dun dun, bad PHP man incoming. Ah, fuck. Backup. Now, I'm sorry. I don't know how I found it earlier. And now I cannot fucking find it. And it's fucking frustrating because I really wanted to show it to you. Oh, I think I found it. I think I found the folder. This is the folder. Index.php. No, PHP is bad by default, but look. I want to show you the jQuery shit. Oh yeah, this is it. This is the meat and potatoes of the entire thing. This is the goddamn thing. Let me show you. So basically, hey, it's from... This says 2012. I think it was done earlier. Maybe this is when it was modified. It doesn't matter. And all of my script, there's a script called aldifficate.js, and probably it works. Every other script is just an iteration on the previous script. I wasn't using Git. I was using my my fucking Windows Explorer. Just copy and paste them. So let's see the latest version of my jQuery script that goes into a PHP WordPress website. Let's see this fucking shit. Bind key down contact. Wait, what is this fucking Wait, I'm gonna try. Am I gonna be good enough to open this in an editor with proper zoom and everything else? Because I'm gonna let you enjoy this fucking shit, right? I just have to wait for a WebStorm to open it. So, be right back in 7 minutes. No, there it is. There it fucking is. Screen. Let's do this, huh? How about jQuery? jQuery was the shit. Was I mixing Macedonian and English and jQuery and everything else? Fuck yeah. Basically, this is just like... I just want to say how bad jQuery was. This was css-in-js. If scroll top is bigger... This is probably a code for a fixed header. And my indentation doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It just goes... This thing drives me crazy. Have to correct it. God damn it. jQuery was the fuck... Where are you gonna see code on which Twitch stream? You're gonna see code that has a class called cat meme. Doesn't exist. Only one who ever wrote this. Jesus Christ, man. This doesn't exist, by the way. If you try to access it, oh, I'm gonna watch old memes. Doesn't exist. It's been dead for like 10 years probably. Cookies and god damn it. This isn't that bad. Like your jQuery code was better. Fuck off. fuck off. Exclude like. This means turn off the like. Troll like. Whatever the fuck I was doing here. Let me just show you some PHP, because the PHP is the shit. Fuck this. This is just someone's jQuery. Let's just see and be happy about how bad is PHP, and then we're gonna wrap up this stream. Because PHP is the fucking worst. Open with Xcode. Oh, nothing worse than that. Let's see it and let's fuck off. I can't. In the middle of a div, you open PHP include index made a PHP category, get the category. Wow, PHP in not category 5, in category 70, in category 74, in category 85. Hey, how about you put them in an array instead of doing the, look what I did, in category 5, in category 17, in category 74, because fuck loops. Jesus fucking Christ. And the best thing about this entire project, my to-do list was somewhere in a text file, and it was divided between priority and not priority. I couldn't come up with any other category. I was like priority and not priority. What were you doing, past kids? Anyway, I think we're almost done. So I'm gonna post all of my links that I usually post in the stream. I'm posting a new vlog on YouTube, so youtube.com/kitse. I'm gonna paste you this for people who haven't seen it. Go to youtube.com/kitse. If you want to read my articles, I'm posting a new one every Wednesday. kitse.io. If you want to follow me gaming, Twitch. I should do a bot that does this, because I'm tired of this. Kitse Gaming. What else? Like, it doesn't fucking matter. You know what? It doesn't fucking matter. Go check out Sizzy at sizzy.co. It's a browser for developers. Blah, blah, blah. It's Saturday. Actually, go and enjoy your life, and don't think about web development. Maybe I'm gonna stream some gaming tonight, but I'm excited to start Last of Us 2, so probably I'm not gonna stream some gaming tonight. But if I do, I'll see you on the other channel, twitch.tv/kitsegaming. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. We made this a little bit longer than needed, 10 minutes longer than needed, but it's still good. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day, have a good weekend, have a good Saturday, have a good Sunday, do whatever the fuck you want, and I will see you in the next one.